Hi everyone, it's Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We're about to take the Breadvan out for a bit of a shakedown drive. We're catching up with our friends Flat 12 and the guys down at Airwerks. We're going to give the Breadvan a little bit of a clean and tidy up, and then we're going to also do a bit of a tour of the workshop that they've got down there. They've always got some interesting projects, so let's hope the Breadvan makes it nice and safely. We'll see you there soon. The Breadvan here, it's down at Airwerks, ready to get a spit and polish and a clean. We did have one minor problem where it appears that we didn't tighten the exhaust up quite enough, so we'll put that back on in a minute. When we first got the car, it did have like a Porsche sign all the way down the side of the bus, and when the guys took the Porsche sign off, they left the adhesive still on there, so we're going to try and get that off today so that we can then put our own decals and liveries on the car. It seemed to drive well down here. A bit of work still to do on the shifter, but it's probably driven further than it has done on any other drive so far, so good start. Just using some petrol to try and get the adhesive off the side. We shot this 356 before, we showed a couple of pics on our Instagram of this. It's not very far off being finished. I think we'll be able to open it up and have a look at the interior. So the guys at Top Leather did the interior on this, but obviously this is down at Airwerks. The interior is lovely, and just the feel of the carpet, like really good quality. This is going to be lovely when it's out on the road. Just a shell when it got here, an original barn find. Headliner as well is really good. It's beautiful inside. Very nice car. Guys at Airwerks are doing a brilliant job. I've never seen this 202 on the road, but how it's set up, it looks lovely. How the wheels, the arches are done, just subtle on the arches. No bumper, real racing look. Sneak through a pile of wood and round this car and the sea containers here and see what's stored round the back there. I think they've got some cars hidden that they've forgotten about over a bit of time. LS3 going in. This one here has got a beautiful colour on it, like the green there in the light. That's stunning. Little German splitty. One of the first here in Dubai. So in the back of Airwerks, this is airbagged, but it's been sat here for a while, and then the guys are going to go through a process of raising it, put a roof rack on it, make it their off-road car. Like, I think you can pick up on the video that like the lines of the car and the money that would probably take to make now in a manufacturing plant, and why they don't do it nowadays. It's just, the lines are like epic. Just stunning on the car. There's plenty of room in there to hide all your dead bodies. 12 bus. We'll see if we can dig a picture out later of the bus when it was on the road. It's getting a lot of work done. So the roof and the rail had a load of rust in it, but that's been fixed this side and then needs tidying up, but on the other side that needs fixing. You can see all the panel work that it's had done, all the bottom 6 inches, dog legs done, doors done. We move around here, front's getting done as well. 59? 59?
59, yes.
59, 15 window. All new doors. Floor's all going in. Floor looks great. Dash is all clean. And then the back of the bus getting some work. Still some work to do, but it's not really that far off. Especially when you see Len's dual cab that's like completely rusty. This is not far off at all. I think they're hoping to have it ready for paint by January. Looking a lot shinier now. That's looking good.
Please be creative.
That's silver. Hold on.
That's a smiley face?
That's my bulldog.
Oh.
I want to say a big thanks to the guys at Airwerks for showing us around and letting us have a look in the far reaches and corners of their garage at the collections that they've got around. Also for helping us out, clean up the Breadvan a little bit and run a few repairs on our shakedown run down here today. Coffee's great. If you want a bike, if you want some work done on your car, then head down to Airwerks. The Flat 12 guys and Mohammed always do a great job on the detailing. Thanks again guys, please like, subscribe, catch you guys later, see you soon.